everyone, it's Christian here from Yarn Crafts for Kids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pom-pom letters like this one. This one is what we're going to be making today. And it's very easy. A whole bunch of people on my last video, they were saying, well, I can't get the glue to stick, and like, how do I get this all? So we're going to cover all that today. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to watch the video linked below where I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pom-pom with your Clover pom-pom maker. Supplies you'll need for this project include paper mache letters, pom-poms made from your Clover pom-pom maker, and a hot glue gun. You may need some adult supervision for this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your letter and your hot glue gun, and I'm going to put a little bit on right there, put on my pom-pom. Now put some on right here. Then you're going to pom-poms. Preferably you would want to use 3 colors for this, but if you only have 2, it's all right. So you're just going to keep doing this in a pattern where no 2 are touching. Now there will be strings on this, but you can get rid of those strings later. Now if you're doing a T, you're going to do 8 across the top, and you're going to do 6 down here, not including these. So that's all there is to making pom-pom letters with your Clover pom-pom maker. Now I'm not doing the abbreviation for Connecticut with a CNT. So make sure you subscribe for more and come visit us at Love Life Yarn. Thanks for watching.